Typeface versus font. These are terms which people use interchangeably all the time, using the word typeface to mean font and vice versa, but they're not the same thing. So in this short video, I'm going to show you what they are. So first off, we've got the typeface. A typeface is essentially the design or the look of the letters and the numbers that you would have. Below that, you would then have weights and styles. If you take the weights and the styles and put them all together, those are what's known as fonts. So let's take a look at this visually so that you can understand better what I mean between typeface and font. So here we have three different typefaces. We've got Futura, we've got Comic Sans, and we've got Times New Roman. As you can see, the design of these three typefaces is very different. So let's go into one of these in more detail. Let's choose the first one, which is Futura. So here we can see the typeface Futura on the left. And on the right, here we can see the different fonts that make up Futura. We've got medium, we've got bold, we've got extra bold, and we also have different styles. We've got oblique, which essentially is italic, and we've also got condensed. So what we're doing is we're taking the letters and the characters from the typeface of Futura, and we're almost cataloguing them. So we have all of the medium letters of Futura, we have all of the bold letters of Futura, and we put those all together and they become fonts. Here's an easy way to remember the difference between typeface and fonts. Think of the typeface like a music album. So in this instance, the album would be called Futura, and that's the typeface. Then on the back, what we would have would be the track listings, and those would be the fonts. And the fonts make up the album, or the typeface. That's a way that I always remember it when I'm writing blog posts or doing videos, because I too can get mixed up between the terms typeface and fonts from time to time. But by keeping that album and track list analogy in mind, it just helps me to visualize it and I make sure that I get the term correct. So there you have it, folks. That's my quick video on the difference between typeface and font. I hope you liked it. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once you do, click on that little bell icon and you'll be notified whenever I produce a new video. Until I see you next time, stay creative, folks.